What's up guys, I'm Zane and today I'm going to show you how to add video background CapCut. So now first thing you should do is to simply open your CapCut application on your phone. Then you will have to add the video that is going to be in the background. You can put a video or even put a photo. You can choose what you want to be in the background. So now first thing you should do is to click on new project, and now I'm gonna add the video that is going to be in the background. So I'm gonna choose this video here for example, then I'm gonna click on add. And now after you add the background video, click on the overlay button, then click on add overlay. Now you should put the video that you want to change its background to. So I'm gonna choose this video here for example, then I'm gonna click on add. Then you should make it bigger till it fits with the other video right here in the background. Now make sure that the second video right here is selected. Then you should scroll in this toolbar right here till you find remove VG. Then what you should do right now is click on auto removal. And now here as you can see, I have this video as a background as you can see, and this video on top. Then after that you can click on this sign right here, and now here as you can see I have the video. It looks good. And if you are even using a better scene with a better focus by using a professional camera, the scene will also be much more better. And after that you can simply click on export and get the video on your phone. And that's all for today. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, share, and see you in a new video.